A small seed sown about 35 years ago has today grown into a huge tree. Many schemes are working together to make this dream a reality. One of them is the Ekal Gramothan Yojana. The first target of Ekal Gramothan Yojana was to make the people of rural and tribal areas self-reliant. The mission was to bridge the gap and connect the backward communities with the mainstream society, along with contributing towards the nation development. Ekal Abhiyan is an integration of different segments which are working for the nation by executing different projects in different sectors, and Ekal Gramothan Yojana, which is an integral part of Ekal Abhiyan, was established in year 2014. The work of Gramothan starts at the place where the word Gaugram ends. It includes the production of compost with cow dung and insecticides with the urine of cow. Gramothan is working in the distant regions of rural and tribal areas of India. The foundation works towards the elimination of illiteracy and providing education to the youth, women and farmers. The aim is to advance rural and tribal India. Today, Ekal Gramothan stands as the pillar of Indian rural community and works for their upliftment in the society. Different schemes are running under Ekal Abhiyan that aims to make rural-urban connect. Focus on education, skill development and making self-reliant citizens. With the aim of building micro-entrepreneurs in rural and tribal areas, Ekal Gramothan Foundation has great experience, expertise and resources in the field of digital education, vocational training courses and training programs. Over 220 skill centers in 23 states. Apart from these, Ekal Gramothan is also focusing on Poshan Vatika and organic farming. Gramothan Yojana is working across 23 states of India with more than 220 skill centers to fulfill its social responsibility of empowering the youth with various skills. With this, the youth will become part of the development and will uplift the rural economy. Many youths have benefited from the ongoing project of Ekal Gramothan Foundation, and apart from village upliftment, excellent work has been done for the upliftment of the society. More than 20,000 youth got computer education in 86 centers. Ekal Gramothan is running 86 computer centers that has benefited 19,076 youth till now. 36,000 women became self-reliant from 144 WEC centers. Gramothan is running 147 women empowerment centers across the country and 207 satellite centers through which 36,000 women have been benefited so far. EOW has digitally educated more than 43,000 youths. Ekal on Wheels, also known as computer training labs, are running across India, from which 43,207 youth have benefited so far. Farmers got a new light from organic farming and nutrition garden. Organic farming training is provided to farmers across the nation, and till now, 1,46,000 farmers are already trained and around 1,73,199 nutrition gardens have been formed. Youth are moving towards with the courses like beautician, electrician and plumbing. Apart from these, some other projects are also running under Gramothan that involves beautician, electrician, plumbing courses, etc. Ekal Abhiyan's Panchmukhi education system from the beginning has focused on rural development. But this was limited only to education. Ekal Gramothan Foundation came into being in 2014, and in its 9 years journey, Ekal Gramothan has launched various initiatives that provides rural communities the opportunities to develop their skills and achieve self-employment.